and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. Tropical storm Erin becomes Atlantic's first hurricane of the season, poised to intensify into Category 4. Hurricane Erin becomes the Atlantic's first hurricane of the season. It is expected to strengthen into Category 4 this weekend, reports say. On Thursday, the National Hurricane Center had forecast a shift in Erin's path, with the tropical storm projected to curve north and east over the Atlantic Ocean and avoiding a direct hit on the US East Coast. AccuWeather lead hurricane experts said there was a 70% chance that Erin would not directly impact the US East Coast, though the storm could still pose risk to coastal areas. Despite being hundreds of miles offshore, Erin will likely bring dangerous rough surf, deadly rip currents and possible erosion issues to beaches along the east coast. The Outer Banks in Atlantic Canada could see some of the roughest beach conditions next week. In its last advisory, the NHC said Erin was moving west at around 17 miles per hour, with maximum sustained winds near 50 miles per hour. On the forecast track, the center of Erin is likely to move near or just north of the northern Leeward Island over the weekend, it said. The agency added, gradual strengthening is forecast during the next day or so, with more significant intensification possible on Friday and Saturday. While the core of the storm is expected to stay to the north, there may still be some winds and rain impacts on the island. Huge waves and dangerous rip currents will be a big concern on the islands as well, especially the north-facing beaches. Meteorologists earlier warned that Erin could intensify into the first major hurricane of the 2025 Atlantic season, which runs from June through November. The storm is the fifth named system of the season, following Andrea, Barry, Chantal and Dexter, none of which became hurricanes. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.